Are you new to WordPress and want to learn how to install it like a pro? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing WordPress in just 5 surprising steps. You'll be amazed by the ease and effectiveness of our methods, especially step number 3, which will blow your mind. This comprehensive tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to get started with WordPress quickly and confidently. Get ready to become an expert in WordPress installation. Welcome to our channel, where we empower beginners to become experts in the world of WordPress. In today's video, we will show you how to install WordPress like a pro in just 5 surprising steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to set up and install WordPress with ease. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Downloading WordPress. On-screen visual. Screen recording of opening web browser and navigating to WordPress.org. The first step in installing WordPress is to download it from the official website. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to WordPress.org. This is the official site for WordPress where you can find a wealth of resources. Once here, locate the Get WordPress button and click on it. On-screen visual, highlighting Get WordPress button and clicking on it. This will lead you to the download page, where you'll find the latest version of WordPress. Click on the Download WordPress button to get the installation file. On-screen visual, highlighting Download WordPress button and clicking on it. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, you'll have the WordPress installation file ready on your computer. Step 2. Setting up a web hosting account. Now that you have the WordPress installation file, the next step is to set up a web hosting account. A web hosting provider allows your website to be accessible on the internet. There are many hosting options available, but we recommend choosing a reputable provider that offers excellent performance and customer support. On-screen visual, highlighting the importance of a reputable web hosting provider. Open your web browser and search for a trusted web hosting provider. Compare different plans based on your needs, such as storage, bandwidth, and pricing. Once you've chosen a plan, follow the sign-up process and complete the purchase. On-screen visual, demonstrating the sign-up process and completing the purchase. After signing up for a web hosting account, you will receive an email with instructions on how to access your hosting control panel, also known as cPanel. This control panel will be essential for installing WordPress. Step 3. Installing WordPress with one-click installer. On-screen visual, screen recording of logging into cPanel and locating the WordPress, or Softaculous, icon. Here comes the surprising step. Most reputable web hosting providers offer a one-click installer service, like WordPress or Softaculous, which simplifies the installation process significantly. Log in to your hosting control panel, cPanel, using the credentials provided by your hosting provider. On-screen visual, logging into cPanel. Once logged in, look for the WordPress or Softaculous icon within the control panel. Click on it to access the installer. On-screen visual, highlighting and clicking on the WordPress or Softaculous icon. This will open the installer, where you can configure your WordPress installation. Fill in the required information, such as the domain name where you want to install WordPress and an admin username and password for your site. Then, click on the Install button to begin the installation process. On-screen visual, filling in the required information and clicking on the Install button. The installer will start setting up WordPress automatically by creating a database, organizing the necessary files, and configuring the connection between your hosting account and your website. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Step 4. Accessing your WordPress dashboard. On-screen visual, screen recording of the installation progress and displaying a success message. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WordPress on your website. The installer will display a success message once the installation is complete. Now, you can access your WordPress dashboard by navigating to your domain name followed by wp-admin in your web browser. On-screen visual, demonstrating how to access the WordPress dashboard. Simply enter your admin username and password, which you set during the installation process, and click on the Login button. This will take you to the heart of your WordPress site, where you can create and customize your website to your liking. Step 5. Exploring WordPress and getting started. On-screen visual. Screen recording of different sections within the WordPress dashboard. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard, the control center of your website. Here, you can explore various sections like posts, pages, themes, plugins, and settings. Spend some time navigating through these sections to get familiar with the options available. On-screen visual. Highlighting the importance of themes and plugins. Additionally, you can choose a theme to change the design of your website and install plugins to enhance its functionality. Take your time to customize your website's appearance and explore the vast library of plugins available to add features such as contact forms, social media integration, and SEO optimization. And there you have it. You've successfully installed WordPress like an expert in just 5 surprising steps. From downloading WordPress to accessing your dashboard, you are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to kickstart your WordPress journey confidently. On-screen visual. Encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Did you enjoy learning how to install WordPress like a pro? Mastering the installation process is just the beginning. Subscribe to our channel to unlock even more tips and tricks to help you become a WordPress expert. Don't miss out on the latest tutorials and guides. Hit the subscribe button now.